Hey friends, I love a gadget, and I especially love a gadget that's fun to have at a party or a family gathering. Recently, Liene sent me the Pearl K portable photo printer. It is so easy to use and it prints beautiful color photos in under a minute. Now this printer is inkless and instead works with heat using something called zinc photo paper. Today I am going to turn my photos into refrigerator magnets. I'm also going to create some small pins and a pendant. You ready to see how easy this is? Let's get making. Here it is, my Liene Pearl K100 portable photo printer. It comes with 50 sheets of photo paper and a USB-C charging cord. After you've downloaded the app, load the photo paper with the color calibration sheet face down. Connect the printer to your phone, open the app, pick a photo, and start printing. The calibration sheet will come out first, and after that, in about 45 seconds, you'll have your very first photo. I've sped up the printing here just for time. And the best part about this magical little printer is that it's portable. Not much bigger than your cell phone. You can print up to 30 photos without having to recharge. Here I printed out some fun graphic images to use for glass cabochon jewelry pieces. Next, peel off the protective backing and stick them to a magnetic sheet and cut them out. For this next project, cover the images with double-stick adhesive tape, peel off the protective covering, press a glass cabochon onto the photo and cut it out. Peel off the photo backing and stick it to a pendant setting or a pin setting. I'm going to leave a link for Liene in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. For content I don't share anywhere else, follow me on Patreon. If you want tons of inspiration, grab one of my books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts. And I will see you real soon. Bye.